Okay, this is the M16 with grenades test. We're going to keep the same distance to the detonation. M16, A4.
Team deathmatch. Take them down.
Okay, this is about as good as it can be. Ah. I don't know what zoop you're talking about, but okay. Okay. That last video was the Modern Warfare test. Now we're doing the Black Ops test. Dude, what the, see, look how... Jesus, this game sucks. Change the map. That looks like it has some cars. Okay, create a class. Let me see. M16, okay. Equipment. Lethal frag. So we're gonna see. Everything else is frag, M16, and a car exploding. We're gonna see right now. Volume has remained the same, of course. And now we're gonna start. Oh, auto sign, M16. Okay, let's see what we got. First, I'm gonna blow up a grenade. Just right there. No big deal. Now we're gonna shoot the car up. So they're gonna explode? Maybe not. It's smoking. Oh, come on, are you kidding me? That was terrible. Alright, there's the test, it's done.